To keep up with the latest content I release, please make sure you're following my Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, all using the same name, iAmHaks. Enjoy the video. Where are you from?
I am from Turkey.
Oh, very nice. Cool.
Where are you from?
Kurdistan.
Oh, super.
Super. Hey. No. What is this? What is this?
I don't know.
Okay, I have something for you.
Göl başına vardım, gülleri çoktur.
Lechen brano lechen ala Kurd belinde Kurdistana azad çenkas koşurinde Lechen brano lechen ala Kurd belinde Kurdistana azad çenkas koşurinde Çenkas koşurinde. Hello.
Are you streaming right now?
No. Shall I stream?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, I'll stream. 1 second.
Really?
Yeah, we're gonna begin the stream. Wait. Okay, we are live.
What are you streaming on right now?
On Twitch.
Twitch. What's your name?
Wait, first we talk and then after you can watch it. What's up?
Okay. Good.
Where are you from?
What's up to you? Turkey. Where
Turkey. I'm from Kurdistan.
from? Kurd. Fuck you, bro.
What? You're on the stream, bro. Do you speak English?
Do you speak Turkish?
No, I speak Kurdish.
Siktir gitmek kardeş.
Hey, whoa.
Lavateciye.
Why you say siktir git for?
Ya senin amına koyayım ben ya.
Hey, don't swear. You are racist. Oh, you are angry, bro.
Bak benim memleket Kocaeli.
Oh, you angry. Somebody's angry.
Tam bir yayıncı ağzıyla konuşuyor Boros bu arada.
What? Brother, you want gift? I give you gift.
Ne gift amına
I
koyayım.
give you gift for free. I give you gift. I send to Turkey gift. Okay? You want? Gift? No? Okay, wait. I have more. You drink beer?
Yes, beer.
Yes.
Beer.
You can take with this. You can take it off. I have more stuff. A Kurdish.
Bak mesela bu orospu Türkçe biliyor ama konuşmuyor.
Look at this.
Bilerek konuşmuyor.
Very cool.
Sen de kaçak mı gittin Amerika'ya?
America? No America.
İngiltere pardon.
Kurdistan.
No, sikerim Kürdistan yok dayı.
Hey.
Kürt.
Şuş. Vus.
Hayırdır amına koyayım.
Her biji Kurdistan.
Ya sikerim her bir şey. Hayırdır dayı ya.
Donkey.
Ayıp ediyorsun kanka. Donkey sikiyorsunuz siz. Donkey
This donkey. You racist.
Aynen.
Racist.
Hı-hı.
Biji Kurdistan.
Biji Kürdistan'ı sikeyim.
Her biji Kurdistan.
Ne mutlu Türk'üm diyene.
Ne mutlu Kurdum diyene.
Mutlu Türk'üm diyene.
Ne mutlu Kurdum diyene. Her biji
Ülken
Kurd.
kadar mutlu Türk'üm. Bozkurtlar ulusun. Tanrı Türk'ü kurusun. Şuraya bak amına. Kürdistan nere amına koyayım.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Oğlum
How are
lan bu Kurdistanlı piç amına koyayım.
What is your name? I am funny. How old are you?
What was this?
What is this?
Your friend.
Ah, your friend.
Why he say Kurdistan?
No.
Come.
Come to Turkey.
How are you? Where are you from?
We're from Turkey, Istanbul.
Istanbul. You're all Turkish?
Yes.
Oh, nice. You know where I'm from?
No. Kurdish.
Yes. How?
Uh-huh.
Racist.
O nerenin bayrağı?
Ha?
O nerenin bayrağı?
Kurdistan.
Siktir git Kürdistan amına.
Hey, whoa.
You live in UK?
Yes, but originally I'm from Kurdistan.
I see.
Yeah. It's just so funny. Said him.
I know you as Kurmancım.
The Kurmanji, Chawai.
I'll follow you from Instagram.
Really?
Wallah.
Nice to meet you, bro. Where are you from?
Yes. I'm from Turkey, but I'm Kurdish. I'm from Diyarbakir.
Don't say it. I'm from Turkey, bro. Diyarbakir is not
I'm
Turkey.
not from Turkey. I'm Kurdish as Kurmancım.
Kurmanji F Diyarbakir, Ahmet Kurdistana.
Wallahi, I'm so much love you.
I love you too, bro.
I'm take picture. Give me 1 second.
Put this video on
Thank
YouTube.
you, man.
I can put this video on YouTube.
Yes, of course.
But it's okay. You sure?
I love you so much.
But-
Don't be forgot. Don't be worried.
Oh.
You're from Iraq, right?
Nah, Iraq, Kurdistan, Brahmin.
Yes. I'm sorry, man.
Kurdistan, ne Türkiye, ne İran, ne Irak, ne Suriye.
That's it.
Nere? Kurdistan.
I'm show you my room. Give me just 1 second. This is my brother bed.
Nice.
This is my bed.
Herbici Brahmin.
The left one.
This one,
Yes.
you have one. A necklace.
Yay!
You want it?
Why are you looking like that?
Do you want it?
Is it gold?
Yeah, gold Kurdistan
Okay,
necklace.
give it to me. Give it to me.
You want gold Kurdistan necklace, yes?
Yes. I don't. But I want. So you are Kurdish.
So what's wrong if you are Kurdish? So what?
I'm racist. She's racist.
Why?
I just want to be racist.
But why? Only to Kurdish people?
Because I want to do this. She's racist to Arabic people too.
Why? This
Yes.
is not good. But she has a problem.
No, bro.
You do have a problem. You can't be racist to.
You don't know anything about Arabs in Turkey, so you can't talk about it. Like, if you live in Turkey and so many Arabs kill your peoples,
Arabs.
you cannot speak like that.
Arabs
Not-
kill your people in Turkey? Since when? By DNA? Do you think you're Turkish by DNA? Do you think you are Turkish by
Yes.
I will bet you
Yeah.
I will bet you $1,000 that you are not Turkish. I will bet you $1,000. Do a DNA test and check where you're from. You are not Turkish. How much do you want to bet?
Arab.
$1,000 this bet.
You look like Drake, bro.
I'm the Kurdish Drake. Yeah, she's not Turkish.
I'm Turkish.
I will bet you $1,000 you are not Turkish.
Where do you live in?
Kurdistan.
Kurdistan? There's no country like that. What the fuck?
See what I mean? You see, and I'm the bad one. When she's speaking like this, I'm the bad one. I'm the bad one. Tell her to calm down. I have a Kurdistan necklace for her. Does she want it?
There's some place like Kurdistan? Oh shit. Oh, she is fucking
Where is it?
The capital city, Diyarbakir.
Oh.
Oh. Have you been to Kurdistan before?
Have I been to Kurdistan before? Yes.
Yeah.
Of course. I'm from Kurdistan.
Oh. Bro, why?
You want this? Why are you so angry? Don't be so angry.
No angry.
You're very angry.
Sana mı kızacağım? Aman koyayım.
Kurdistan. Which one do you want?
Right one.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, you have a good gift.
What's that?
Necklace for you. You want it?
There's
What's-
nothing in this necklace.
What do you mean there's nothing in this necklace? What is this then? What is it? Why are you what's wrong with you? Why are you angry at this necklace?
It's nothing.
What do you mean? Explain, why is it nothing?
Bro,
Don't.
There's a bro.
You don't want to say it. You can't say it because they know what it is. They see and they know that's Kurdistan. But I can't say there's no Kurdistan and say it's not Kurdistan when he didn't even say Kurdistan.
Hay bro, Kürdistan yazıyor. Senin Kürdistan'ını sikeyim orası bir
What's
çocuk.
wrong with you? What's wrong? What's wrong?
Bro, fuck Kürdistan.
Hey, stop being racist.
Fuck Kürdistan,
No.
fuck Kürt.
No. Fuck Kurd. Racist.
Yeah.
You're racist,
Yes,
yeah?
bro. Yes, bro. Yes, I am racist amına koyayım. I am
Why are you
fucking-
racist? Why are you racist?
Because Kurds bad people.
Kurds bad people.
Yes bro.
So your mind, your brain is this small. Yeah? This small.
Yes bro. Aynen
Yeah.
aynen.
You agree. You agree. Your brain is very small.
Hı-hı.
Yeah. Small brain.
But my dick is so big. Oh bro, I'm reported you. Go fuck yourself amına koyayım.
Report it. Report it all you want. What are you going to report it for? What are you reporting it for?
Because
For what?
your flag is no have country bro.
So
No
OME,
country,
so
okay.
OMEtv will look at the report and go, "Oh, Kurdistan flag, no country, ban him." You think this?
But
You're so
but
stupid, bro. What the
shut
hell?
fuck your mouth and
You
listen to me,
shut up.
okay?
You have no idea what you're
Listen-
talking about, you
Listen,
little child.
Bro, listen. No
Absolutely
country.
beautiful.
Kurdistan no country.
Okay.
You know?
Okay, if it's no
You're
country, if no
fighting-
country, why are you angry? Why are you angry if it's no country?
Because Kurd is stupid.
Why are you angry? Why does this make you angry?
Kurd stupid and I am teach how these good people I teach Kurd. I am
How old is
I am-
Turkey?
bir dakika, I have
How
Turk
old is
ID
Turkey?
and I
How
am
old
Turk-
is Turkey? Okay, Turk ID. How old is Turk ID in Turkey? 100 years. Yes?
Bro? You
Tell me!
British,
Oh, I
have
thought you were
British
not
ID and
stupid.
I'm
I
Kurd and you
I
say I'm
thought-
Kurd amına koyayım.
I am Kurdish, yes. Because I have
Your
honor.
ID
I have
bright
sharaf. You know
Kurd,
what
huh?
is sharaf? Sharaf? You know what is sharaf? I have sharaf. You have no sharaf. You are a benamus. You are benamus. Completely benamus. Because you don't understand your history. You don't know your history. You don't know your people. You don't know where you came from.
Why live in Turkey? Kurd, go fuck yourself and
Because
your country.
that's-
but
this
you
is
don't
your-
have country amına koyayım.
I shouldn't even be discussing this with you because you have no idea what you're talking about. The Kurds are in these cities because it's their cities. They live there. That's why they say it's Kurdistan. That's why they say Diyarbakir is Kurdistan, Mardin is Kurdistan, Van is Kurdistan, Batman is Kurdistan. It's all Kurdistan
Show
because...
Google Earth.
Fuck Google
Google
Earth. Look,
Earth.
you are asking for what the humans made in 100 years. You want to know what
Show-
human... You want to
Show
know...
Google Earth bro. You say Diyarbakir Kürdistan.
Okay,
Mardin Kürdistan.
Hold
Show.
on. Listen to me. If the Kurds live in this land, yeah, Diyarbakir, Mardin, always, thousands of years, okay? Before Ottoman Empire, when there's no Ottoman Empire, yeah? You understand so far? You understand?
Okay.
Kurds always live here. Turks were in Asia. Okay. Kurds in Anatolia, Mesopotamia, Turks in Asia. We live here. There is no countries in this old time. No country in the world. No countries. Everything is just open land. Only people, they control the areas. So Kurds control the Kurdish cities, Diyarbakir, Mardin, Erbil. All of these were controlled by Kurds.
One
Yeah?
minute.
So Kurdish people controlled the Kurdish area and we were very, very strong in Ottoman Empire. But then when Ataturk came, Ataturk said, we finish Ottoman Empire, we make Turkey, and then now everybody is Turkish, everybody speak Turkish, and then the Kurds say, no, what the fuck, like we don't want this. You're trying to remove my history, remove my language. If they ask, okay, let's talk. Let's talk about this. Ciao, Aitabashi. Oh, تلقي برا.
كروامش تيرا اخوانا لا كردي ماردين
افجي هنا وافجي هبا بنر
ايوه جوال جمنا
قالك سباس تلقين لماردينها
نعم المانيا انا
لا المانيا تش كردي برا
اج كردين
واو قد اس كردي كي واندي لا رابرتشي
امس كردي برا منا
Hello,
Hi.
how are you?
tişörtünde.
What's up?
Bro.
What?
Kürdistan.
I'm Kurdish.
Kurdistan is not ülke değil ki.
What's going on?
Ee,
I have a gift for you.
okay.
You want?
Wow.
You want?
Empty. That, brother, what's that? I can see. I can see. Brother, empty.
You want it? Or I can send you this map.
Brother. Nothing, brother.
You want the map? Hey,
There's no map.
what is this? This is a donkey? Is it a donkey?
Kurdish not nationality. Yani
Kurdish is blood. Kurdish have blood. Where are you from? Where's your blood from? Okay. Bishi Kurdistan. Completely fixed you. There you go. Miracle.
You have some problem, all right?
I have so problem?
Yeah.
Why? Why do I have problem?
Get out of my face now.
So you were retarded. I said Bishi Kurdistan. And then you completely changed. Where's Kurdistan?
Yeah, where's Kurdistan? Hayalistan.
Hayalistan?
Yeah.
So why are you angry? If it's Hayalistan, why are you angry? You angry. You're so angry. Jinjian Azadi. Havrayan Havalno. Make sure you visit www.kurdim.shop for my merch, where you can find different Kurdistani inspired clothing items, t-shirts, hoodies and more. Season 2 is coming soon, so grab season 1 while you can and use Kurd Talks 11 for 11% off.
Yes, I can put in your pussy's mom, alright?
Pussy's mum. Ooh. You want a Carrefour card? Carrefour. Bishi Kurdistan.
Come.
Come.
Come şöyle.
Yes, here. Picture.
Şöyle.
Picture. Let's go. Take a picture of me.
Tamam söyle, az önceki söylediklerini de söyle.
Yeah, söyle.
Söyle.
Yeah, söyle.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. You got your picture of me with the Kurdistan flag in your
Görüşeceğiz
phone.
seninle.
You have Kurdistan flag in your phone.
You are police, okay? Understand?
I am police.
You police, no police.
I police, no police.
1 minute, okay? No
One
problem.
minute. 1 minute, okay.
Okay.
I'm waiting.
Görüşeceğiz.
Ne mutlu Türk'üm diyene orospunun çocuğu. Ananı bir sikerim.
Otaylardan Tuğra'ya.
Bishi Kurdistan.
Adam belki
Ne?
Bishi Kurdistan.
Ananın amına soksun. Orospu çocuğu. Kürdistan'a sikime sürdüm. Ananın amına da. Orospu.
Sikerim emaneti, sikerim adaleti yar.
What are you saying?
Es Kürdüm.
Yes, as Kurdim. Where are you from?
I am from Kürdistan, okay? Aynen yaz oraya.
What's wrong with you? Are you okay? I want to sing a song.
What the fuck? Bitch!
What's wrong with
Fuck you.
I want to sing a song.
you.
I want to sing.
You!
Why?
Söylediğin şarkının adını soruyor sana.
Why?
Anne.
What are you saying?
Mom.
Why? Why?
Anne.
Kurdistan.
Fahişe orospu çocuğu.
Kurdistan. Wash.
Evet. Senin ananı sikeyim.
Vahş.
Kürdişini. Fuck.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How about you? Kapat.
I'm good, thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Turkey. Where are you from?
I'm Kurdish.
You're Kurdish.
Kurdish.
Yes.
Kurdish. I am Kurdish.
The Kermanjizani or no? Little bit.
Little.
Okay, no problem. Yes, I'm Kurdish.
She's Turkish. Yeah.
She doesn't look Turkish. Do you know your original ethnicity background? Like, are you Greek? Are you Bulgarian? Are you?
No, I don't know. Ataturk says if you are telling that you're Turkish, it means you're Turkish. He says that.
Yeah,
And
but
he's the father of the Turks,
I
so-
don't agree with him. He's Albanian and he's from Albania and you're not Greek.
Ataturk was Albanian. Excuse me.
You can look on Wikipedia. It says Ataturk.
Ataturk. Wikipedia is not like a.
You can
true-
check any source. It's
Atatürk'te Albanian ve Yunan diyor kanka.
Ataturk. His father Ali Reza is Albanian origin, half Albanian, half Greek.
Do you know what means Atatürk?
Father of Turk. His name is Mustafa Kemal. Mustafa Kemal was half Greek, half Albanian. You say you are Turkish nationality, fine, but you are not Turk.
No, I'm Turk. You can't decide
You're not
that.
Turk.
I
It's
can.
100% you are not Turk.
Shut the fuck up.
I will bet you $1,000. Let's do $1,000. You do DNA test. You are less than 5% Turk. Less than
Bro,
5%.
I'm trying to explain that if I do a DNA test, it's not means where I'm from. I'm
Yes,
telling that I'm
but-
from Turkey.
but that's the difference.
I live in Turkey. I born in
Good,
Turkey.
good.
I'm speaking Turkish.
So let me explain to you then.
So-
Let me explain to you then. You know how in Turkey they say Kurdish people are bad because they say we are Kurdish and we are not Turkish? This is because of this problem. Kurdish people, they know their blood is Kurdish. We know our blood is Kurdish. We stick with this. We're like, no, we don't want Turkey. We don't want Turkey. We don't want Turkish. We are Kurdish. We know we are from Kurdistan. So this is the problem that happened when Ataturk came. He said, you are all one language, one flag, one this. That the Kurdish people say, no, we know our blood. We are Kurdish. We know we have history.
Yeah, because
Niye bu çocuğa kapıyı açmıyorsun?
we live in Turkey.
Yes.
Bro.
But how old?
Not Kurdistan.
How old
we
is-
live in Turkey. Atatürk created like
Okay,
Turkey.
that's fine.
Turkish people's place. So he might be like killed every person like who wasn't Turkish, but he didn't. He said that
He did.
if you say you're Turkish, you can live here.
Yes.
You can just
Okay,
be here.
but what about the
And
people? What about the people that didn't accept? It's like, no, we are Kurdish.
then fuck off to your own country. Just live here.
Okay.
That's so
Hold
easy.
on.
You can say I'm-
Okay,
you
okay,
say I'm
okay,
from Turkey,
fine.
You can just stay here.
Okay.
Atatürk says
Okay,
that.
so the people who lived in, let's say, Diyarbakir, yeah? They lived in Diyarbakir for thousands of years. It's all Kurdish people, thousands of years. And then Ataturk comes 100 years ago, just 100 years ago, he created
Yeah.
Turkey. These people lived here thousands of years with no Turkey, with no Turkish language, no Turkish flag.
I want to tell that if you're from Diyarbakir, it not means that you're Kurdish. And
Diyarbakir is the capital city of Kurds. It's the capital. Look,
Diyarbakir is the city of a Turkey.
this is why Diyarbakir Ahmed is red. It's the capital city. These are
Kürt haritası var.
Diyarbakır
Abi,
zaten Kürt.
Kanka diyor ki Diyarbakır Kürdistan'ın başkenti diyor abi.
Look,
Yani en çok Kürtlerin
that's
olduğu-
Diyarbakır.
Ama Kürdistan'da bir
Look.
yer yok abi.
Look, Diyarbakir.
Gideceğim. Bu FETÖ'cü.
Are you okay?
İşte bu FETÖ'cü.
I'm
olmasın
okay.
ya.
Yes, of course.
Ben geldim.
Do you know? You don't realize it. I'm talking to you with respect.
Türkiye'de
I'm
Kürdistan
talking
diye
to
bir yer
you.
yok. Bunu söyler misin?
Can I say something?
I'm sorry.
I'm
You're
talking.
telling us that capital of the Kurdistan is Diyarbakir.
Yes.
Where is Diyarbakir in the map? Like not your map, in the world map. No, I don't care. What the fuck is that, bro? Show me in the world map.
What have I been saying to you for the last 10 minutes?
If I show you, but bro.
Okay, you are looking at today's map.
Kurdistan is not like
You are
exists.
looking at today's map of someone who. Okay, let's.
Today's map because we are living
Okay.
in today.
Okay, then let me explain to you in a different way. If America come and attack Istanbul and they capture it, yeah, is this now America or is it Turkey?
So you're telling that Ataturk just attacked in Diyarbakir? You mean that?
Ataturk attacked Dersim and killed thousands of people. You don't know this?
I think you should just read some books.
I think you should read some books. Do you know in Ottoman Empire?
No.
Do you know?
You're just talking nonsense. You don't know any fucking thing. I'm telling you.
Show me your
today's
facts.
map.
Show me facts. Send me links. I will look now.
I
Send-
don't need any facts.
Because
Look,
you are just talking from your brainwashed. You are brainwashed.
No, you are the one talking who with brains. You're just always saying 100% like person. It's a lie.
All right.
But look,
Then if
that's
you are
the
smart,
real one thing.
if you are
Bro,
smart, okay.
Turkey, just that Kurdistan is not exist.
Okay.
Let's start from there. Okay.
Okay.
And Diyarbakir is not the capital of the Kurdistan.
Okay.
It's a city of the Turkey,
Okay.
and Ataturk just made it.
Okay.
And he's the father of the Turks.
Do you know people in Diyarbakir say they are from Kurdistan?
Yes, I know. They're
They
like
say.
most of people is Kurdish. I know that.
Do you
But
know
it's
they
not
say
me.
that we are from Kurdistan in Diyarbakir? They say this. When they celebrated Nowruz, everyone had Kurdistan flags. Do you know this?
Yeah, I mean Kürt bayrağı.
Everyone had Kurdistan flags.
Yeah, Turkish people just attacked and they just destroyed their flags.
Yeah,
you know,
because you want to silence the people who speak the truth.
Truth? You're saying that they're just like Ataturk said them. You can speak your language. You have to speak in Turkish. You said that, right?
Is that fair?
Wait.
Is that fair?
I will explain. If he wouldn't do that, everyone in Turkey, every people will like talk to their own language. So
Yeah, but how is that fair if these people have been speaking Kurdish for thousands of years and now you are forcing them to change their language?
bro, because if he wouldn't do that, it would be like one Kurdish and one Arabic, like one Turkish, and everyone will
but
just,
this is the problem. The country. This is the problem. The country
this is
of
the
Turkey.
Ottoman Empire, and he want to like be a how can I say? I can just explain.
So which
it
one is more fair?
English.
Which one is more fair? So you tell me, which one is more fair? Creating Turkey.
It's not about being fair. It's
You don't let me talk because you know I'm right. Let me talk, and you tell me if I'm wrong. Okay.
You're not even right. Like
Okay, then you tell me if I am wrong. If you create.
You're wrong.
Let me say what I have to say, and you tell me.
No,
if...
I don't need to hear you. You are wrong. There is no Kurdistan in map, and you can just tell that.
I can't believe your minds. I cannot believe it. You are all brainwashed. You are all so brainwashed.
Brainwashed?
Assimilated. You are assimilated. Assimilation.
Oh my god.
You are assimilated.
Every Kurdish is talking same, you know.
So now I thought before Kurdish people are not talking like this. You said no, Kurdish people say they are from Turkey.
Anne şu an bak baba bir şey diyeceğim. Şu an bir FETÖ'cü geldi ve bize Kürdistan'ın Diyarbakır'ın başkenti olduğunu savunuyor ve şu anda tartışıyorum. Biliyor musunuz?
Maybe your dad is more smart. Let's
wait a second. Adam basbayağı şu an FETÖ'cü ve ben şu an onunla tartışıyorum. Bana diyor ki bayrağı hangisi bayrağı var şu an Kürdistan tişörtü falan giyiyor. Korkunç ya. Korkunç yani. Ne bileyim internetten bile konuşuyoruz şu an.
Görüntülü mü?
Ve şu an diyor ki ya internette işte dilimizi geliştirmek için ve diyor ki işte benden önce biriyle konuşmuş demiş ki ona işte Kürdistan Kürdistan gerçekten varmış, Diyarbakır'da başkentiymiş ve diyor ki Ottoman Empire Osmanlı şeyindeyken herkes bir yaşıyormuş ama şimdi Atatürk gelmiş Diyarbakır'da Kürtleri katletmiş, hepsiniz orada demiş ki siz Türkçe konuşacaksınız demiş ve Atatürk yapmış, insanları öldürmüş, ben asimile olmuşum o yüzden böyle konuşuyormuşum.
Kürt mü bu?
Kürt.
Peki.
Can you say
Şeyh Said
De kurmancı de beji.
ere
Te halki kvederi.
Batman.
Te halki Batmani te Kurdi.
Hayır değil baba deme söyleme bu mal böyle yanlış.
Kijan kiçikete.
Hayır beni söyle.
Ere keçike mi de?
Kijan evi spi ya evi raş.
Benim nereden anladın?
Anlayabiliyorum ya. Elvin de bana deme beni söyleme. Her şeyim yanlış çıkacak.
Elvin.
Batman Kurdistan'a. Başla. Halas. Tamam. Batman Kurdistan'a.
Strani.
Her bir şey. Strani ve heya. Strani Batman heya de beje Batmani ledle gule le. Batmani Kurdaya. Batmani
Bro, let me tell you
Kurdaya,
something.
Batmani
He's teaching
Kurdaya.
you. Like you're pathetic,
You know he means
you're not
it.
okay.
You
You
know
need to read and
Kene danari topi zaman, naşekene danari topi zaman.